Hi, this is a quick video just showing you how to install the Unattended app on your computer. So you'll get an email like this and you'll have a link. Click on that link and click download. It'll download a file. Now, depending on what type of browser you have, as to where that file is going to appear, but don't click on it. Instead, go in, and this is Chrome, so what it's going to do is it's going to have something like that, show in folder. So you want to go into the folder, and it's usually in your downloads folder. Okay, so you can see that there. This needs to be run as an admin. So if you right mouse click and go run as admin and then follow the instructions from there on in the affirmative, so allow the system to add it and go forward from there. I've already got it installed on this computer, so I can't install it again, but it is fairly straightforward. There's, I think, 2 or 3 windows that asks you questions. Just go yes to each one, and then you should be all done. Let us know once it is done, and then we can test and make sure that we can gain access. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.